Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 Youth, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and I hope that you can see those green lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work, so basically they should disappear. In order to reset the settings, we have to enter the settings itself. It will be in the right upper corner, no matter in which mode it will be. And then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Defaults. Now let's tap on OK. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera. Here we've got the very first evidence, so the access to the location, we have to add it again. And this option will appear if we will open the camera for the very first time. So this is the first evidence, and right here we've got the camera without the grid lines, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.